Penelope. I'm making chicken nuggets. It's very good to berry. And these are going on the chicken nuggets. This is what my mom taught me. And I put them on here. So every time I want to do it. And it's almost done. I just have one more. So we made these to bake. And my mom wanted me to. So she gave me my apron and rolled my sleeves up. And